make some chicken soup. Yes. So this one is the rooster, right, that we started to cook yesterday. We make the broth, chicken broth. You can check before the previous video. We made that chicken broth. That it is this one. I left in the fridge, and because the rooster didn't have much fat, right? See this yellow part? If you sometimes it's very fat, and you can scoop this and just cook, right? The rest is almost like a gelatin, the broth that you can use it for all kind of soups. And today we're gonna make with the chicken broth. So here's the meat that fall apart. So the young rooster cooked very fast. This one, you can see very nice meat. So I separated in here the brown and white meat that we're gonna put in the broth. I'm gonna make in the soup, so it just falls apart. And then we separate the bones. Then eventually I shall make another broth with the bones. So here we use all the parts of this animal. Now just add some vegetable, onion, carrots and potato to that. But you can add any vegetable, right? Make all kinds of soup with that broth. Somehow we still draw to potatoes. We could also use sometimes, not the same way, but it's very good for you, also cassava or taro. So I like to brown the onion. Then I'm gonna add some carrots. So I cook until brown the onion, and then leave it a little bit longer the carrots, and now just a little bit, like 5 minutes, and then mix the potato, cut it in half. Everything blend together. So here saute all and then cover. Gonna cover with the broth. Yeah, and then cook for about 20-30 minutes, and the vegetable tender al dente. So I like to heat the broth boil, and then mix here and just cover and cook for a little more, and then be ready for eat. Yeah, chop some parsley at the top and enjoy. So here we are roasting the bones. We roast for about 30 minutes to get a little brown, a little more. And that one is for another kind of broth, another stage where I roast off the broths and mix all and cook longer. So takes another stage of the bone. Yeah. So this one is really good and quickly, and over here I still can use it many times. When I make a soup and can make other soups. So I like to freeze as well and use it all the time when you need it. To make all kind of dishes and very healthy. Subscribe if you like our channel, and see you next time.